In this video, I'm going to be talking about, do Linux distributions have more than one software repository? And the answer is yes. Yes, in Ubuntu, there are 4 different software repositories maintained by Ubuntu. If you look in software and updates, you will see a list of downloadable content from the internet, and it goes like this. Canonical supported free and open source software, main community maintained free and open source software universe, proprietary drivers for devices, restricted software restricted by copyrighted legal issues, multiverse source code. Okay, so here it is right here. So when I download from the terminal, right, and I go sudo apt whatever software, okay, and I run it, it's downloading from one of these four software repositories. Okay. Now here's the question: why does Ubuntu have 5 software repositories, not just one big one? Well, I was wondering that myself. A couple answers. You can host more than one repo on one physical server, so it's not like you have to. It's not like these are 5 physical servers. These are more than likely just one, divided into 5 sections. They can segregate servers based on license. They can separate proprietary servers into its own server repo. But essentially it's this. Essentially it's a way for users to be able to check and uncheck a little box and suddenly know that whatever software they browse or they download meets or doesn't meet certain conditions based on whatever they're doing. So in short, it's a way to browse and filter for when you search for software, right? So basically it's essentially like this. Let's say I got a project, I'm making a program or something, right? And I need to, and I for whatever reason need to, only use free and open source software, right? So I would unclick these 3 boxes, okay, and only use canonical, free and open source software for whatever reason, right? So once I unclick these things, that means that every time I type in software and, go away, do my thing, I know for a fact that it's only free and open source software. So essentially it's just a way to browse. It's just a way to browse. It's a way to browse. It's a way to search. It's a way to search for software, through APT essentially. The information about the software. Okay. So, yep, that's what it means.